Check out this 2006 Land Rover Range Rover. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission, GPS navigation will guide you to your destination. Savor your listening experience with the premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable. He's always hot and she's always cold. Solve this problem while driving with dual temperature controls. The sunroof lets fresh air in. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.